Okay, number 9, we're given the area and we're trying to find x. So let's just start with the area formula. Area is equal to base times height. I'm given the base as 10 root 3. And I don't have a height in this problem, so like there's not a height given. I'm going to call that height h. So I can use the area formula to find the height. So 300 is going to equal base times height, so 10 square root of 3 times the height. In order to get the height by itself, I need to divide both sides by 10 root 3. So now I have height is equal to 300 over 10 root 3. I'm not supposed to have square roots on the bottom, so I'm also going to deal with that next. So times the top and bottom by square root of 3. So on top I have 300 square root of 3, and in the denominator on bottom I have 10 times 3. Okay, root 3 times root 3 is 3, times 10 is 30. 300 divided by 30 is 10. So the height is equal to 10 root 3 as well as the base was. So I'm trying to find x degrees in this triangle outlined in pink. I kind of draw that over here to have more space. I have a 20-degree measure. I have a 10 root 3, and I have x. Now, you might recognize that as a 30, 60, 90 triangle, because if I take half of 20, I get 10, and then times square root of 3, I get 10 root 3. So x is going to be the 60-degree angle. If you don't recognize that, or if you have numbers that you can't use your special triangles for, then you could use some regular trigonometry SOHCAHTOA. I'm going to try to get some numbers out of the way here. Okay, so if I didn't have that, I could also set up a ratio like the, not the tangent, but the sine of x is equal to the opposite, which is 10 root 3, over the hypotenuse, which is 20. And then I could take the inverse sine of that, and that'll also give me 60 degrees. So 10 root 3 divided by 20 in my calculator, take the inverse sine to get the angle, and that's 60 degrees.